Hey everybody, this is Janice Buck and I'm here to help you navigate through this course and Blackboard in general. So let's start here with the announcements. You should have your page set up so that you see the announcements, and you should listen to my videos or watch my videos. You should read my announcements, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a lot of help on these announcements. I'm going to show you how to do the assignments, how to get an A. I'm going to show you how to make the virtual lab called VLab work for you. So you can count on me to give you a lot of information, but you have to do your part and read my announcements, watch the videos, and see how this is going to work. Okay, let's start this course by starting at the beginning, which is start here. You click on start here. What you need to do here is read all this information, the syllabus, all this information all the way down to the very bottom, and then you need to click on course expectations. You click on this, you agree that you agree with these course expectations, and you promise that you've read all this, and then you will be able to see module 1, and you won't be able to see it until you do this. So when you click on it, it's going to say there's a test. This test is really simple. Will you or will you not agree to go and do this expectation? Will you agree? If you agree, then you're going to see module 1. I'm going to go back here and just talk a little bit about this one. These are the standards of academic honesty, and I don't expect anybody here to cheat, but a lot of people don't understand plagiarism. You need to use your own words when you write a paper for me, or when you talk on the discussion board. If you're going to use someone else's words, that's fine, but you need to put them in a quote if it's a direct quote, and you need to make sure you put an in-text citation to it and a reference at the end. So I will be running your assignments through something called Turnitin, which will check and see if anything in here is copied. You need to remember that, and don't do that. Write your own words, okay? Use your own words. Don't use other people's words and then pass them off as your own. That's wrong. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll give you more details on this. Okay, I want to talk now about okay, let's look at this. We're going to talk about module 1, because that's this week. Once you've done start here, you'll be able to see module 1. And this is what it looks like. It has lectures, it has objectives, has descriptions, but then it has, down here, these are the assignments. There are 3 assignments this week. One is to participate in the discussion. One is to write a case study. You're going to look at page 105 in your textbook, and you're going to respond to the 3rd question in the case study. If you don't have a textbook, let me know, because I will send you a copy of page 105, and you won't have to skip this assignment. Okay, then the EHR assignment, which is the VLab orientation. What you're going to do is you're going to download this VLab application, and you're going to put it on your computer. You're going to install it on your computer. This means you cannot use a tablet, and you cannot use a computer where you are not the administrator. So you can't use your office computer, you can't use a library computer, you have to use your own computer. Okay? If you have any problems with downloading and installing VLab on your computer, which is activity 1, you need to send me an email, okay? Send me an email and I will help you with that. Now, the second thing you're going to do in there is to change your password. This has a big problem for us because most people forget their password after they've done this. I'm going to do another video on this, so you're going to have a lot more detail on it. Right now, just get VLab or vWorkspace installed on your computer. Okay, let's say you've done this case study here and you want to submit it to me. You double click here and it's going to go to the submission. This is where you put it. I suggest you put it on there by uploading a document. To tell you the truth, attach a file, upload the document. But you can do it however you want to. And of course, to get to the discussion, you can either double click here or you can go to the discussion board here and go to the first week's discussion. On page 17, look at the discussion questions again. If you don't have a textbook, email me and I'll send you a copy of that page. Okay, one more thing here I'm going to talk about before I leave, and these are the assignments and rubrics. This is how I'm going to grade you, and so this is very important. Let's open one of these. This is the case study that you're going to do this week. It's due by Sunday night. Okay, you're going to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to read this. Read this very carefully here. This is what you're going to do, and this is how you're going to write it. First off, I want APA formatting. That means you're going to have a title page. Then you're going to have a background statement to introduce what you're going to write about. You're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to have a conclusion. You're going to use references, and this is how I'm going to grade it. Read these. These are the rubrics for this. You should download this and keep it with you. Here's the one for the discussion board. All right. With the discussion board, a student is expected to participate at least 2 separate days. That means you're going to write a post and then you are going to talk to the other students in the classroom on the discussion board. We need to see you actually post on at least 2 other students' boards. 2 other. Here is the rubric for it. When it says to submit the initial post on time, the suggestion is to submit it by Thursday of the week. All of our classes start on Monday and end on Sunday. You can submit on Thursday. Lots of people can write on yours. You can write on theirs, but you need to do it at least one other day. Okay? Those are the rubrics. Now, I hope this will help you get started. I will, at some point very soon, also do a little bit of an introduction to the VLAB assignments. Okay? Good luck in the course, and thank you for watching.